Hello, superstar coaches. I am so excited to share with you a new techie training from Canva. All right. So today I want to share with you how to convert a PDF that is edible. Like edit. Y'all know I always mess that word up. What I want to show is that when sometimes you get a PDF and you might have created a PDF and don't have the original version and you need to edit it and you want to change it and tweak it and all these type of things, where Canva has this new feature that allows you to do that. And I'm so excited to share with you. All right. So I'm going to stop my talking and I'm going to get right into this training. All right. All right, so we are now on Canva. And as you guys can see, all of this wonderful things, right? We're on Canva. And guys, I do have the paid version, just to let you know. I'm not sure if this is a feature only to paid version members, but you guys know, I'm just going to say it. You should always have the paid version on Canva. It's just going to open up so many new features for you. Okay, so where you will go is to this purple button where it says create a design. You're going to scroll all the way down till you see import PDF. So we're going to click on that. And it's in beta form, which is great. It still works. It does say that you can only upload a document that is up to, I think, 15 pages. But what I realized, that's not true. I'm able to upload a larger file than that. So let's look for, I'll upload this PDF called the 7 Morning Habits. And as you can see, it is uploading. And then you click on it and open it up. Booyah, right? And it's going to have this feedback. You can fill out the feedback if you want. We're going to close that out. And so as you can see, it has all the pages. So this PDF is a total of 23 pages. Okay, so this was a 23-page PDF. It has images in here. It has words and stuff like that. So this one has a lot more words and images in it. But I'm gonna show you how to make some changes. Okay, so let's open this document up. And as you can see, it brings in fonts that are very closely related to the PDF, actual PDF, which is still good. As you can see, all the text has separate text boxes like that one. Y'all see that? Awesome. So what if you don't like this picture, right? You can actually delete the picture and it will. So let me go back to that. So this is a whole picture. This whole ebook cover is an entirely, new picture, right? But maybe you already uploaded. You've already designed the cover of your ebook. So you can just delete it. And let's see, what do I have in my folder? Let's see. This was the cover of September's ebook. So we can put that in there. Literally, I could just drag it in here. So let's drag it in here. Let's size it correctly. I think that's a different document. So let's do that one. That's still a little big. But there you go. There you go. I can size it down. So that could be my new cover if you designed it. If you want to make some changes to the text, you can do that as well. So you can edit the text. So like if I didn't like that paragraph, I could delete it. There you can, if you want to delete this picture, you can delete it. And then you could drag in another image like that. It drops in there. If you don't like this size, you can increase the size of this one. Let's center that. Let's bring that over. You can change the color to black. If you wanted to add a picture here, so I would just put in the elements. I will look for frames. Let's see. So if I wanted this circle frame, I can size it down. I can put it over here. I can move this around. I can go in photos. If I wanted to upload something like this into it. So you can start adding things to this. Like this, now this document is totally able to be edited. And that's what I love about this new feature in PDF for Canva, that you can actually edit a PDF so quickly and easily. I don't know what happened to my picture right there. It just disappeared. So let's just drop another image in there. Let's just drop that one in there, right? And now we have a cover. That would not be the official cover, but you get the concept, right? But that's how you would edit it. You would then, so let's go and double click. Then you would go here and you would download it to another PDF if you wanted to. You can download it as a standard PDF or a PDF printed, but a standard PDF is fine. And then you would hit the download, and now you have a brand new PDF. Now, is that not awesome that you are now able to edit a PDF inside of Canva for free? Oh, I'm in love. Like literally, I thought I was in love with Canva, but now I'm really in love. So I cannot wait to see how you guys use this as well in your business. Now you don't have to worry about not being able to edit a PDF. All right. You guys have an awesome and blessed day, and I'll be talking to you later. Peace out.